Welcome back to Silicophilic. Recently, Firefox added something interesting, a built-in AI controls page. What really stood out to me was this one switch that can block all current and even future AI features. So I tried out myself to hear exactly where to find it and how it works. Exploring Firefox's new AI controls, what AI controls are. As I dug into the settings, clicking on the menu in the top right corner, I found a dedicated AI controls section. This is basically where Firefox puts all its AI related features in one place. What I like here is that nothing feels forced. Instead, Firefox lets you decide. You can use these features, turn off specific ones, or completely disable everything. Taking control using a master off switch. The first thing I tried was the main control, the all-in-one switch. I opened the menu, went into settings and found AI controls. Right there was the option block AI enhancements. Once I turned it on, everything changed. All current AI features were disabled. Future ones would stay blocked automatically. And even those little pop-ups promoting AI just stopped appearing. At that point, it felt like a complete off switch for AI inside Firefox. But as I explored further, I realized I didn't actually want to turn everything off. I just wanted control over what I use and what I don't. That's when the individual settings started to make more sense. Inside the same panel, I could see features like translations, alt text for PDFs, AI tab group suggestions, link previews. So I started going through them one by one, keeping the ones that felt useful, like translations, and turning off the ones I didn't really need. Each feature had simple options like available, enabled, or blocked, which made it easy to adjust without overthinking it. Instead of an all or nothing setup, it felt more like I was shaping the browser around my own workflow. Testing the Sidebar AI Chatbot. Sidebar Chatbot. One feature that really stood out to me was the AI chatbot in the sidebar. At first, I noticed it sitting there, ready to use, and when I clicked on it, I saw that it could connect to different providers like ChatGPT, Claude, Copilot, or Gemini. I tried it out for a bit just to see how it fits into the workflow. It's actually quite handy if you like having quick access to AI without opening a new tab. But what I appreciated more was the control. If I didn't want it, I wasn't stuck with it. I could simply turn it off or remove it from the sidebar completely. So it never felt intrusive. Understanding privacy behind the scenes, privacy note. While testing all of these, one thing became very clear: privacy still matters. As I started using the chatbot feature, I realized that it's not really Firefox handling those conversations. You are actually interacting with whichever provider you choose, like ChatGPT, Copilot, or others. That also means you are agreeing to that provider's privacy policy and terms when you use it. Firefox itself makes it clear that it does not have access to your chatbot conversations or the exact text you send through these AI features. But even then, it's still a good idea to be careful and avoid sharing any personal or sensitive information. Another thing to keep in mind, these AI controls only apply to Firefox's built-in features. If you are using extensions, they can still use AI independently outside of this settings. What these controls don't cover, clarification. One thing I noticed exploring this, these controls don't cover everything that might feel like AI in browser. For example, features like search suggestions, address bar results, or some built-in smart recommendations are not part of this panel. Those are more traditional or system-level features and work separately. So AI control section is really focused on the newer, more visible AI enhancements. And one thing I noticed, this does not cover everything. So it's focused specifically on newer AI enhancements like chatbot features, AI tab groups, or content-related tools. Once you understand that, it becomes much clearer what this panel can and can't control. So that's how Firefox AI controls work, whether you want full control or just a clean AI-free setup. If this video helped, like and subscribe for more such tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.